So what I do is when I check on the video, I put Ronaldo, so you go to search, you do that. I'm going to do the different levels of Ronaldo, so screen record a different one, and then I'll go back to screen recording and how I make it. I finish, I make sure I've recorded it. Then I go to ringtone maker. And then I press plus, import from video. I do that. Then I press clip. So make sure it's right. Don't know what it is. Rename Ronaldo. So I put that because I find him the GOAT. I haven't done that yet, but once you do that, you may press and then you go to GarageBand. Then if you're on the phone, then it tilts it, and then you hold down it, share, ringtone, continue, export, blah blah blah, I'll export it. He's my friend, so do this. This tone is text tone because I've got a different one. I'm going to play it, but I'm going to have to blur his number out so he doesn't get random things. He's got money so big. And I've also got Boston. I've got your phone number.
Pick up the phone, it's just ringing. Your brother.
So that'll be it. And then, once I've finished, I'll go to CapCut and add it up. It'll pull the video for this.